KV, 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 KV. I gave you all my love, but you throw it away. Maybe I was born with the struggle and the pain. Let me tell you this life is not a game. Take her for a joke and she will leave you in the rain. Some say that I am lame, but this is Days of Door, we don't care about your way. We have a lot of rappers, but you got nothing to say. Take a look at me and they think that I am fake. A lot of bad days I have to face. I put them in the evil bag, I put them in the case. That is the case, but the case is a case. Damn, I have to face all the bad days anyway. Feel like I have to go on my own. Nigga left me alone in the dust on a clone. I feel like a clone, but my clone was a clone. I don't know anymore. Damn. Think my life is fake. Think about me, everything I think about the ways I used to kiss you and the ways I used to touch you. Damn, I wish the ways I used to hug you. I'm like OG. Tell that nigga I'm a bad one. Only little boys play with gun. I'm out here pussy till I got none. I'm not stopping till I have what I got none. I let my homies in the passion, breaking every step, nigga. Watch my entrance. I'm still writing my verses with my mad pen, but my mad pen feel like a sad pen. But anyway, I will bag them, flipping every coin like I have to be a coin man. I'm doing this and I'm breaking every step, man. Step by step and I'm going all up, man. I am a star, not breaking down, I'm breaking down. And I'm gonna sign on these little fucking beats. They know that I'm a king in this shit. You better believe it's killer vibe on this beat.